our fourth question has to do with echolalia. All right, so my child started to engage in a lot more echolalia, but I didn't even realize this was echolalia. The parent just thought, I just thought the child was just imitating. And yesterday they went to see the doctor and got feedback that the echolalia got so high. And the doctor said that ABA forced too much of the early intervention treatment and made the child mechanical. The parent for sure has no intention of stopping ABA because she can see the possibilities there. The parent thought that that my child's talking a lot more, they're being more imitating because the child's vocals really started to come together. And so when the doctor told them it was echolalia, that really hurt the parent. So how can I stop or fix this echolalia? So hold up, stop. Okay, no need to panic. By definition, echolalia is just copying what other people say. So your child imitating what other people say? Yeah, he's imitating. That's echolalia. Now, the thing is, you have to understand, repetitive speech is an extremely common part of language development. And I'm not saying this, Healthline is saying this. And the thing is, all kids engage in echolalia, okay? All kids do, and especially when they are developing their spoken language. So don't worry about it. It's okay. The echolalia is a normal part of language development, okay? And that your child's starting to do it or doing it a lot, that's not bad. Okay, the more practice they get with something, guess what? The better they're gonna get with it. You know, I can't speak to what goes on at other ABA centers or other ABA agencies. You know, that's been a criticism that's levied against ABA since time began. Okay, the thing is that just like with any, you can have good teachers out there, you can have bad teachers out there, you know, and the good teachers are going to promote the right things, you know, and the thing is, early intervention is research-based. The reason why they say get them started early is for a reason, you know, you get them on the right track sooner, you know, so, you know, this doctor, maybe it's time to find a new one.